Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Drumceratops. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off on the left side and we're going to draw the shape of the head. We'll start with a curve up and back down for the horn. And then a curved V shape underneath. Now from both sides, let's draw a curve down and out. Then let's hop in and let's draw a curve up and bring it down. And a long curve across to close off the head. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the face. In the center, let's draw a V-shaped point up and one underneath. Now on both sides for the eyes, we're going to start with a curve, bringing it downwards, and then a small curve up and back down. And color them both in black. Now underneath for the nose, let's draw two curves down and bring it in, meeting at a point. And then for the nostrils, we're going to curve it up and loop it back in. Next, on the sides of the nose, we're going to bring it out and a large curve for the mouth. Now inside at the bottom, let's draw a bump and one more for the tongue. And then color the inside of the mouth in black. Next, let's hop on top of the head and let's draw a small curve on the top left and the top right. And then let's curve it up, meeting at the top in the center. Now from both ends, we're going to draw another curve up and bring it down to the sides of the head. Lastly, we're going to add a large drum on top of the head. Let's start on top of the cheeks and let's draw a large circular curve up and around. And then one more next to it. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop out and let's draw the body. Let's start on the bottom right of the head and we're going to draw the first arm. Let's start with two curves down and over. Then let's hop in between and let's draw a curve out to the left and down. Now for the first finger, let's draw a curve and curve it down and back up. Now let's hop over, and for the next one, let's draw a curve and a V-shaped point down. Hop over again and let's draw one more like this. Now let's close off the hand by drawing a curve in between each of the fingers and then curve it up to close off the right side. Next, behind, let's draw the belly. Let's start underneath the head and let's draw a curve down and over. And then let's continue it on the right and another small curve on top. Now let's add some curved stripes inside the belly. Let's draw one near the top here, another one underneath, and one on the right side. Now let's hop back over to the left and let's draw the other leg. Let's draw two curves down And then at the bottom, let's draw the first toe with a curve and a V-shaped point. Now let's add another small curve across, and the next toe by curving it up, out, and back in. And another one behind in the same way. Now let's close off the foot by curving it out and down. And that's it for the front legs. Now let's hop back over and let's finish drawing the body. Let's start on the top right and let's draw a curve over and bring it down. And then inside on the back, we're going to draw 2 drums. Let's start next to the head and let's draw a curve down. Then let's angle it out from the bottom and then hop out in another small angle next to the head. Now let's close it off with an oval at the top. And add another oval inside. Now in the bottom section, let's add the pattern on the drums. Let's draw a curve up in the center from the bottom. And then another one on both sides. Now we're going to add another drum next to it and behind. Let's start with 2 angles up. And again an oval to close off the top. And one more inside. And then again 3 curves at the bottom. And that's it for the drums on the back. Next, let's move down and let's draw the legs. Let's start under the drums and let's draw a curve down and bring it up. And then another curve down next to it, leaving a gap. Now for the foot, let's step up and we're going to draw a curve up and bring it down. And another curve underneath the knee. Now let's add the toes. Let's draw a curve underneath on the left and the same thing on the right. Then let's curve it out and back in. Then for the third toe, let's draw a curve in the center with a point underneath. And then close off the bottom of the foot with a curve in between each toe. Now let's hop over and let's draw the other leg behind. Underneath the right arm, let's draw a curve down and then bring it down and over next to it. And then let's add 3 curved toes. And then a curve in between each one for the bottom of the foot. And that's it for the legs. Now let's finish drawing the shape of the body by adding the tail. Let's hop up and let's draw a curve up and bring it in. And let's do another curve in the same way, underneath starting from the leg. And then let's add a large circle at the end. Now let's hop inside the tail and let's add another curve at the bottom. Now that we have the shape of the tail, we're going to add some more drums along the back. Let's start on top next to the head and let's draw a curve across and bring it down. And add another curve inside at the top. Now let's leave a gap and let's do the same thing by drawing 2 lines up and a curve across the top. And one more inside. Now let's draw another one in the same way, a little bit smaller. Now for the next one, let's draw a shorter rectangle. And then 2 more. Then let's hop inside the end of the tail and draw 3 circles. And that's it for Drumceratops. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!